Put your comment down below and I'll try to answer as many questions as I have. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Hey Big P, so if you need to reinitialize your PS4, you can do it from the settings menu if you have access to your home screen. Otherwise, you can follow one of my videos which shows you how to do it in safe mode. So just go to Zadius Tech, PS4, see you. Hey Riz, it's good seeing you again. So I think you tried everything with your PS4. So at this point, it's time to buy a new hard drive and then get a USB flash drive and download and install the complete PS4 system software on it, and then just boot up your PS4 to start right up. Hey Cody, so if you have PlayStation Plus and turn on automatic uploads for your save games, they should be in the cloud, so you should be good to go. However, if you don't have PlayStation Plus, then I'm sorry to say that your data will be gone when you do the reinitialize. Hey little, so if you already tried to rebuild your database and manually install the update didn't work, you can go to safe mode and go with option number 6 to initialize your PS4. If that doesn't work, then try option number 7. You need a USB. Hey Biscuit, so if you try to reinitialize your PS4 and it got stuck, what you want to do is go to the Sony website and download the complete PS4 system software, and then go to safe mode once again, and this time you're going to choose option 7, plug in your USB, and go to... Hey Shahan, so if you're getting the cannot access system storage, that means that your hard drive on your PS4 has gone bad. You need to replace the hard drive and then download the complete system software from the PS4 website on Sony, and then plug it into a USB. You're good to go. Make sure to hit subscribe to my channel so you get notified the next time I do a Q&A session. All right, I'll see you guys next time.